Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to turn off eco mod on Hyundai Elantra 2011. So now if you're rocking an Hyundai Elantra 2011 version, it have basically a button. So in this mod you can enable or disable. Let me just show you much more clearly. In this mod you can enable or disable, turn off the eco indicator on the nation of devices. So if you press and hold trigger for longer than 1 second, the eco mode mean the screen displays an inscription of ECO off, which means that eco mode is turned off, and the ECO indicator or the eco indicator is off when driving. To display eco indicator again, it is necessary to be off. Press and hold, then press the trip button for more than 1 second, and after that the screen will display eco mode turned on. And yeah, so that's a pretty simple process on how you can easily turn off eco mod on your Elantra 2011. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So make sure to comment down below that what else issues you guys are facing. I will try my best to reply each one of you. And with that being said, that's pretty much it for the wrap of this video, and see you in the next couple of tutorials. Until then, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.